Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to insert shapes in MS Word. Now in order to insert shape, go to Insert tab and click on Shape. Now this shape has a lot of shapes in there, so you can decide to choose from the shape any that you want. So let's say I want to pick this over, so just click on it and I'll wait for your shape to be okay. Wow, so it is saying we can draw, so you can just pick the shape and draw, or you can just go to insert shape. Now double click on this shape, double click on it. Okay, so I'm going to draw. Okay, so you can also draw the shape. Now after drawing, that is to draw and just the size you want, sizable shape you want, you can just go in to now apply the features of the formatting. Now there is the color. If you want to change the picture color, just or the shape color, and just change the shape color here. Now this also you can decide to change it. Okay. Now when you want to change the color to your preferable one, like a texture, you can just apply this, or you can just do gradient, or you can just even use picture as the texture. Okay, so that is it for the shading. Now aside from that, this is a shape outline. Now that is used to give a border to the shape. Now so when I choose this, it's going to, see, I have border around, but the border is so thin that I can't see it well. So in order to increase this border, the same place, click on this border or the shape outline and go to weight. Now increase it to the preferable one. Okay, so that is it. Now as soon as you can start typing, so shape 1. So okay, so let me type in shape. I have shape 1 here, and this is shape 2. Okay, I have shape 2. Now let's see, with this text, I can still change the format of the text. That's the text style. Now to choose from any of the text here, and it's going to apply to your text. So you can choose from any, then it's going to affect it. Now there's also a transformation that you can do with. Just click on this text style and go to ABC transform. Now you see the shapes here. You can decide to choose any of the shape. Okay, so there is the shape now. Okay, so let me just go back for the shape again. Transformation. Okay, now this can also go for this or that. Okay, so I have this. Now I can decide to change the shape. If you want to change the shape, just click on it and go to edit shape. Edit shape. Now choose for me the shape you want to replace with. Okay, now the same thing, I can still add the outline. Now increase the weight. Okay, now I can still edit the shape. I can still choose a different shape. Okay, so that is it, and that is a way to insert and format shape as well. Okay, so I learned it's clear now. So you can just apply or edit or input or insert shape whilst working with a PowerPoint or any other document as well. Alright, so that's the way to insert shape, and it's quite well explained. Okay, so our next topic, we talk about a different thing altogether, and thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.